To effectively add an external account to your Chase account, follow these 5 simple steps outlined in this comprehensive guide. Commence by logging into your Chase online banking account either through a web browser on your computer or the Chase mobile app. Provide your username and password to gain access. Next, navigate to the Account Management section. This could be located within the main menu or the Account Management segment of your Chase account, depending on the platform or device you're using. Look for the option to add an external account. This may be labeled as Link External Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to proceed. Provide the necessary information for the external account, including the account holder's name, bank name, branch code, and account number. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any potential errors. Lastly, review the provided information for accuracy and follow any additional prompts or instructions provided by Chase to confirm and complete the linking process. This may involve additional security measures such as providing a one-time password or answering security questions. Once successfully linked, you should receive a confirmation message or notification. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added an external account to your Chase account.